This now is natural wig. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair.
Oh my God, look at that girl. The way she moving back, yo, I done lost. Wine poco, go down poco. Oh no no, say wine poco, go down poco. Aye.
Girls, hello everybody out there. This wig is bomb. This dark blonde wavy lace front wig is bomb. ReadyWig, shout out to ReadyWig for sending this wig. Thank you so much. I'm in love with this wig. Did you see that headline? Did you see that headline? If you want, you can look it again, but I think that you don't need it. It come. Do you see the lace from? The lace is very soft. This is the construction. It comes with adjustable straps. Comes in the side and one in the middle. If you can see, if you can appreciate it, okay. An adjustable strap, like I said. Okay, girls. It come with baby hair. You can do you. Yeah, the baby hair. You do all that. Let me put it on so you can see how it look. Did you see that wig? Synthetic wear. Okay, you girl is blind. Okay, Jenny is blind. I need my glasses or prescription contact lenses. Not the two. Did you see that hair? It's boom, 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 boom. That comes. Hey, mama. Just like highlight popping, bitch. Okay, now did you see my overplug highline? I want to put powder because powder is better than liquid foundation. They say, I don't know. Let me try it. The contact lenses and lashes are from colorscl.com. That is my discount code JK10. Yes, JK10 for you to have 10% off of everything. Okay, the lashes and the contact lenses. Let me put some powder and sprayed with my go-to be spray, so the powder not going to go nowhere, bitch. Did you see that construction? Popping, popping, eh? Mm. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. click the bell so you will be notified when I upload your video. Okay. Okay. Let me put the adjustable traps because this wig is big head friendly. It's big head friendly. Don't forget, my head is small, so I have to put it on. So I'm trying to figure out how to put the wig. Yeah. And you have to brush this wig very well because it's going to tangle. It's normal. It's synthetic wig. You have to brush it. Okay. Duh. Have to brush it. Period. The girl. Say your mama, Daddy Key is in the building. See the hair. See this wig. See this wig. ReadyWig.com. Thank you so much. My discount code for this week is DivaNy 8% off. I'm going to leave it down below. DivaNy 8% off. Okay? Yes, mama. Yes, 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 yes. I'm ready to go. Boo, 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 boo. You fly. Kisses. Bye bye. Mm, mm, mm. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair. DivaNy hair. Okay, okay, my beautiful divas out there. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DivaNy here, aka Jenny Key. No, it's Jenny Key, aka DivaNy here. Did you catch me? Ha, ha, honey. Honey, boo boo, hello, boo boo, my baby. It's like, oh, Jenny Key. Hazam. This week is the bomb. Let me bring it. Wait, see the girls, please. See this girls. I don't know how much time I brush the hair because let me tell you something. When you brush the hair, you have to brush it because it's not normal. It's natural. It's synthetic hair, and if you have curls down, it's going to tangle. You have to brush it to have this beautiful this beautiful thing here. Okay, it's normal. So yeah, this wig is from ReadyWig.com. ReadyWig.com. Shout out to ReadyWig to send me this wig. Okay, I'm going to leave all the links down below. All the company, the website, this wig, and you have more affordable and colorful wigs for the summer. Summer is here. Take your money porque estamos a final de mes and go and buy a wig, okay? You see, you DivaNy girl. But this wonderful wig is more than a man. Okay. The truth about this wig is that normal. It's under normal. It's synthetic wig. It shed, it tangle because you have to brush it because you have curls. If you have curl down, it's going to tangle. But girls, you see this? No shine. I pluck here a little bit too much, but I like it like that. No, porque yo no tengo esto finito así. No. So I pluck here and it's like from a wig, as you can see by the title, but hello, can glue it and put it here, send it here, and do this and do that. So you can, I think you can take like a bond here or something like that. Okay, so that is all my divas. Let me know for everything. Okay, I'm going to leave the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, comment and share. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.